Hey guys, welcome back to Design Dreams. My name is Arshdeep Singh and today we're going to create an accordion in Figma. It's going to be an interactive accordion which you will be able to click and expand or collapse it. So the first thing we want to do is we need some text. Press T on your artboard and type in accordion or something that's relevant. We're going to convert this text into Autolayout by pressing Shift A. And now I'm going to use a plugin called Accordion to import one icon. And this icon is going to be a drop down. Search drop down and select one of these variants. Close the plugin, copy your icon, select your accordion frame and press Command or Control V to paste it within. There we have it. The basic setup is now ready. Let's delete the unwanted icon. After that, we're going to create a copy of this accordion by pressing Alt and dragging it. In the second variant, we're going to remove this icon because we don't need it. And we're going to change the text as accordion content. Now keeping both your frames selected and put them in Autolayout by pressing Shift A. Remove the gap between both the Autolayouts to 0. Now let's just name these Autolayouts properly. The topmost frame, we're going to call it accordion set. The second one, within which you have the icon and the text, is going to be accordion header. And the one below it is going to be accordion content. That's it. That's the basic setup. Let's adjust the properties a little. For accordion header, the width property is going to be fill and the gap is going to be auto. And the same for accordion content as well. Width is fill, that's fine, and the content is going to be aligned top left. And now for the paddings and the margins, the padding for the accordion header is going to be around 16 pixels and 16 pixels. Or you can do 12 as well if you want something narrow. And for the content, we're going to increase its height as much as we want. And for the accordion set, the main parent set, we can increase its width as much as we want. You can see now, even without using colors, our basic structure is complete. Select accordion header, give it a fill of white. The text is going to be bold, and for the accordion header, the fill is going to be something of a gray color, something like this. Select your accordion set and give it a shadow. We can play around the shadows and appearance as much as you want, but this is just for demonstration purposes. After this, we're going to convert this into a component by pressing Create Component on the right hand side properties. And then we're going to create its variant by clicking Add Variant. The variant is going to be the collapsed state of our accordion. Change the name of the variant to Collapsed. Select the icon in the collapsed variant and rotate it about 180 pixels so that it's facing upwards. Change the color slightly to something lighter. And for the text, we're going to make it blue. Maybe a subtle shade of blue, something that's more soothing. And for the content in the collapsed state, we're going to decrease its height to 0 pixels. And the opacity for the content is going to be 0, 0. So there we have it. Our basic structure for the accordion is now complete. And now we're going to make it interactive by jumping into prototype mode. The shortcut to jump between design and prototype is Shift E, or you can click this prototype button here. Press Shift E to jump to prototype, select the header and connect it to the collapse state. And you're going to do interaction on click, action, change to collapsed. The animation is going to be smart animate. Curve is going to be ease in and out, and the timing of about 260 microseconds. Once the default state is selected, I'm going to now connect the collapse state to the default state. On click, change to default smart animate is in and out, and the duration is 260 microseconds, the same as the one we did earlier. Basically keeping all the properties same as we have for the default state. Now to see it in action, copy instance of your collapse state by pressing Command or Control C and paste it anywhere on the artboard. Jump to design mode and create another copy of this instance. Select both of them and put them in Auto Layout by pressing Shift A. This one we're going to call prototype test. Or you can create as many variations as you want by pressing Command D and click Present to see it in action. Now if I click Accordion, you see it's working as I want it to be. I can collapse and uncollapse and open any one of these variants. So that's how you can make interactive accordion component. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Design Dreams for more Figma and user experience design tutorials.